Hello, my name is Jini Alia Cahyani. I will explain about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. Present tense is used when someone wants to express an event or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and type conditional sentence type 1 sentence patterns followed by the simple future tense. Simple present tense formula. In a verbal sentence, after the subject is followed by the verb. Meanwhile, in nominal sentence, after the subject it will be accompanied by a noun-verb, which we usually know as an auxiliary verb or to be. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s or as plus complement for a positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How do you make simple present tense sentence? The following is a simple present tense formula that you can use. Positive simple present tense, subject plus to be plus complement. Example, I am an international school student. For negative simple present tense is subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Example, she is not an international school student. For simple present tense question is to be plus subject plus complement. Example, is she an international school student? Verbal present tense. For positive or affirmative simple present tense, just like a nominal, verbal sentence also have a positive forms as we discussed at the beginning. The formula positive of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus complement. Example of simple present tense sentence: I live in Surabaya. She lives in Surabaya. Present tense for negative simple present tense. So especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence, use do or does or do not and does not. The formula negative of simple present tense for verbal patterns is subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Example of simple present tense sentence: I don't live in Surabaya. She doesn't live in Surabaya. Verbal simple present tense for simple present question or interrogative. The formula of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In the interrogative sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work? Does she work? In accordance with the name of the type, namely yes or no question, so you only need to answer the question above with yes I do, yes you do. Apart from yes or no question, other interrogative sentence patterns are why question. What did you think when you read why? That is a question word in English that is attached to the letters we and I. Example, what do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does she play? Why do we play? How do they play? Example of sentence from the simple present tense. Positive sentence: he wants to be a doctor. Crow and cross. We speak English at the office. Negative sentence: they don't have any money. Nia doesn't see Lana in the class. You don't listen to me. For interrogative sentence, does he play basketball? Where does she lunch? Where does she dinner? Present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The meaning of present is the present. So the meaning of present continuous tense is a form of tense that you can use to explain something or express an action that is taking place during a certain time in the present. Present continuous tense formula. What is characteristic of the present continuous tense is the addition of ing at the end of the verb. So what is the positive, negative, interrogative formula present continuous tense? For positive sentence, the present continuous tense formula for positive sentence formula is subject plus be, am is are plus verb 1 ing plus complement. For negative sentence, the present continuous tense formula for negative sentence formula is subject plus be plus am is are plus not plus verb 1 ing plus complement. Interrogative sentence. The present continuous tense formula for interrogative sentence formula is be, am, is, are plus subject plus verb 1 ing plus complement. Use of present continuous tense sentence. Things that are happening now. The section has a function to show the action that is taking place. Example, I'm writing this letter to express my longing to my best friend. She is reading a romance novel right now. They are not eating the cookies. He is not singing on the stage. Is mom cooking now? Are you crying right now? Temporary event. The difference with point 1 is that usually the first function shows an activity that lasts for a short time. So you can use this function to tell stories about events that took place over a long period of time. They only happen temporarily. Example, he is studying a new language at the moment. She is upgrading her computer skill at the moment. Tell the action around the time of speaking. So this tense can be used to tell about an activity. Which activity occurs around the time of the conversation? Example, Lila is taking 3 classes this semester. Amar is spending a lot of his money this week. A new pattern or habit. One interesting way to use the present continuous tense is to describe event or action that are new and different from events in the past. In the case, tense can be used to highlight the contrast between old and new. Example, these days people are reading emails a lot less than they used to a few years ago. Use of present continuous tense sentence for future plans. We can use the present continuous tense to talk about plans that will definitely happen in the near future. Example, when we arrive at the airport, we are taking a private car direct to the hotel. My manager is promoting Satyaj to be a new lead team next month. Sentence in the present continuous tense. She is cooking lunch for us. They are studying for exam tomorrow. They practicing guitar every day. We are painting the walls of their house. I am writing a letter from my best friend. My sister is reading a book in the park. Example of negative sentence in the present continuous tense. She is not watching TV right now. I am not listening to music at the moment. He is not wearing her clothes today. My brother is not eating spicy food. He is not driving a car to work. We are not listening to the radio at the moment. Example of interrogative sentence in the present continuous tense. I'm playing basketball in the park. Is she studying for the test tomorrow? Is he playing tennis with her friends? Are you listening to music right now? Are they working on a group project?